Hi guys, my name is Kimberly Gutierrez from the BSEMC 1ADA, and for today's video, we're going to discuss about the constructors, and access specifiers. So let's get started. So, constructors, what does it mean? So, a constructor in C++ is a special method that is automatically called when an object of a class is created. To create a constructor, use the same name as the class, followed by parentheses. So, note that the constructor has the same name as the class. It is always public and it does not have any return value. So, to code a constructor, we first have to code the class, which is this one. And this public is the access specifier. We will tackle this on our next topic. And this is the constructor. Etong constructor natin, dapat pareho siya dito, pero yung kasunod niya is the parenthesis, like this one. And yeah, like this. Hi guys, so here we will create a class program defining the constructor. So we're going to encode class my code. I would like to set it into public. Sino pa sobra? Then here. So guys, this is a class and this is an access specifier. This my code here is the constructor, and here in the int main function, I created an object to call my constructor. So it outputs this: loving yourself is a must. This one is related, or another type of constructor. So constructor parameters. So constructors can also take parameters just like regular functions, which can be useful for setting initial values for attributes. The following class have brand model, and year attributes, and a constructor with different parameters. Inside the constructor, we set the attributes equal to the constructor parameters. For example, yung brand niya is X, etc. When we call the constructor by creating an object of the class, we pass parameters to the constructor, which will set the value of the corresponding attributes. So, just like when we created a class that has a lot of attributes and then when we were going to create the object na, we can use parameters to call our class. Gets nyo ba? So, this is the next topic. Access specifier. What is it? By now, you are quite familiar with the public keyword that appears in all of our class examples. So, in my previous videos, you have seen the public keyword that I've been encoded for a lot of times, right? So, this is the example. This is my example on my... No, it's not. So, this is one. This one. This is called the access specifier. So, the public keyword is an access specifier. Access specifiers define how the members, attributes, and methods of a class can be accessed. In the example above, the members are public, which means that they can be accessed and modified from outside the code. However, what if we want members to be private and hidden from the outside world? So in C++, there are 3 access specifiers. So we're going to tackle the 3 kinds or different types of access specifiers. First, the public, which members are accessible from outside the class. Second, private. These are the members that cannot be accessed or viewed from outside the class. And last, the third, the protected access specifiers, that members cannot be accessed from outside the class. These public are accessible from outside the class. So anyone can see this access specifier. Like anyone can access from it. This private, they cannot access or viewed. Only the coder or the person who encodes his program can access it. It can only be accessed within the class. This one is cannot be accessed from outside. For watching, this is Kim, yours truly, signing off for today's video.